ज्ञानदाता चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक जरूर करिएगा।
Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic that is job analysis. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट में जॉब एनालिसिस एक बहुत ही वाइटल रोल प्ले करता है। तो चैनल में बने रहो और साथ ही साथ पीपीटी में ध्यान देना कि यहाँ पे कोई भी पॉइंट आपका मिस आउट ना हो। अगर आपका कोई पॉइंट मिस आउट होता है तो जस्ट लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, आई विल क्लियर दैट डाउट एंड उसी के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट जॉब एनालिसिस। Job analysis, it is the process of describing and recording many aspects or element of the job. The outcome of job analysis has basically two components. One of them is job description and another one is job specification. So, whenever we are going to start a new type of hiring or we are also going for a replacement hiring, we just refer to the job description. Okay. So, job description एक बहुत ही common term है जो employee and employer दोनों के बीच घूमता रहता है, बट एज अ प्रोसेस इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द जॉब एनालिसिस, जहाँ पे दो पार्ट हो गया आपके, एक जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड अनदर पार्ट विल बी जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन। इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन इज अ रिटन समरी ऑफ टास्क रिक्वायरमेंट। दिस इज द फिजिकल एंड एनवायरमेंटल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द वर्क टू बी डन। तो वर्क कैसा होगा और क्या होगा इसके बारे में जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको डिस्क्राइब करता है। साथ ही साथ हम जब आगे बढ़ते हैं देन वी मूव ऑन टू द जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन। जो रिटन समरी होता है वर्क की रिक्वायरमेंट, इस द टाइप ऑफ वर्क विच वी आर गोइंग टू डू, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, मतलब जो भी एम्प्लॉय या फिर पर्सनल जो उस पोजीशन में आएगा उसके लिए उस पर्सन के पास क्या नॉलेज, स्किल्स, एप्टीट्यूड या एटीट्यूड होनी चाहिए। सो देयर आर टू कंपोनेंट्स राइट नाउ। वन which is job description, it describe about the job and their duties. Another is a job specification जो आपके employees के लिए होंगे जिनको आपको हायर करना है, वहाँ पे आप नॉलेज, स्किल, एप्टीट्यूड एंड एटीट्यूड सीखेंगे। सो लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड लेट अस क्लियर अबाउट our doubts about the job description and job specification. So basically what is job description? यहाँ पे हम बात करने जाएंगे कि जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन एंटायरली होता ही क्या है, why there is a difference between the job description and job specification. First of all, job description includes the basic job related data that is useful to advertise a specific job and attract a pool of talent. So it includes the information such as job title, job location, reporting to and of employees, job summary, nature, objective of a job, tasks and duties to be performed, working conditions, machines, tools, equipment to be used by a prospective worker and hazards involved in it. So there are different type of job descriptions जहाँ पे हम जॉब के बारे में प्रॉपर बताते हैं, either it is for a safety officers or a blast furnace worker। हर जॉब के बारे में थोड़ी डिस्क्रिप्शन होनी चाहिए, जिससे उस जॉब की ड्यूटीज क्या है, लोकेशन क्या है, स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या है, डेजिग्नेशन क्या मिलेगा बंदे को, एंड उसमें उस जॉब में कोई हजार्ड तो है या नहीं। ऐसा ना हो कि इफ अ एम्प्लॉय इज बीइंग हायर्ड इन अ पर्टिकुलर रोल एंड ही इज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द हजार्ड, तो वो भी अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए। पर्पस ऑफ जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, द मेन पर्पस ऑफ जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन इज टू कलेक्ट जॉब रिलेटेड डेटा इन ऑर्डर टू एडवर्टाइज फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर जॉब। So basically we use job description for the purpose of advertising the job in front of the audience जिनको हम hire करना चाहते हैं। It helps in attracting, targeting and recruiting and selecting the right candidate for the right job. So basically it is used for the advertisement of a job vacancy जो हमारे यहाँ open होने वाली है। Either it can be filled from the internal sources also or external sources also. And it helps in attracting and targeting the right audience. तो राइट ऑडियंस को अट्रैक्ट किया जाता है और टारगेट किया जाता है कि वो हमारे यहाँ अप्लाई कर सके। इट इज डन टू डिटरमाइन what needs to be delivered in a particular job. It clarifies what employees are supposed to do if selected for that particular job. Suppose if for example we are hiring an accountant and after selecting we will ask him to do the calling job, then it is not fair. he can ask the recruiter कि हमारे जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में ये लिखा हुआ था और मैं यही काम करूंगा. तो दैट डिटरमाइंस कि किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टाइप के जॉब को क्या परफॉर्म किया करना है और क्या काम करना है, ये सभी चीजें जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में आइडेंटिफाइड रहता है. आफ्टर दैट वी मूव अहेड that it gives recruiting staff a clear view what kind of candidate is required by a particular department or division to perform a specific task. So we have seen the two perspectives. One perspective is in point of the employee who is going to be hired and attracted. Another prospect is in terms of the recruiting staff or a HR or talent acquisition specialist, where he or she get a clear idea which type of people or candidate we are looking ahead. It also clarified that who will report to him. Okay, so एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चार्ट में भी ये फिट बैठता है जहाँ पे हम ये आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते हैं कि दैट पर्सन किसके अंदर रिपोर्ट करेगा. मूविंग अहेड, we are going for understanding and clearing our ideas related to the job specification. Now, job specification can also be known as a employee specification. Why employee specification? Because यहाँ पे हम employees में क्या चाहते हैं कि वो इस टाइप की जॉब को कर सके, ये आइडेंटिफाई. So, a job specification is a written statement of educational qualification, specific qualities, level of experience, physical, emotional, technical, and communication skills required to perform a job. The responsibility involved in a job and other unusual sensory demands. It also includes general health, mental health, intelligence, aptitude, memory, judgment, leadership skill, emotional abilities, adaptability, flexibility, value ethics, manners, and creativity. So these all things which are included in the job specification are mostly related to the type of candidate which we are looking, or a talent acquisition manager or talent acquisition person is looking ahead to hire. Okay. So whenever a candidate is applying in a particular type of job, they must go and read down the job specification of a job. If they find them suited best enough in this type of specification, then they can be definitely get selected in that job. So what is the basic purpose of the job specification? It describes on the basis of the job description. Job specification help candidate to analyze whether they are eligible to apply or not. So, as I had told you earlier, job specification can clear the candidate doubt that they were applicable to apply for that job or not. Okay. Just for a simple example, if a company is looking for a sales executive and their minimum criteria are like they are looking for a person who must be graduate and must be below 28 years of age. Then, if a person who is having a 32 years, he can't apply. That's the basic criteria over it. It might be as per the company policy. So, moving ahead, it also helps recruiting team of our organization to understand what level of qualification, qualities, and set of characteristics should be present in a candidate to make him or her eligible for the job. So, as well as it helps the candidate, it also helps the recruiting staff. Moving ahead, job specification gives a detailed information about any job, including job responsibilities, desired technical and physical skill, conversation ability, and much more. So, job specification includes all the rest apart from the job criteria. Okay? It helps in selecting the most appropriate candidate for the particular job. So where the job description describes most of the things related to a job, the job specification describes most of the things related to the candidate who are the most suitable or appropriate for a particular job. Thank you. Moving ahead. Now, summarizing that job description versus job specification, where job descriptions provide the job title, their location, what are the roles and responsibilities of the job, what will be the salary, incentive, or allowances. These all are the components of the job description. whereas the job specification, it provides the attributes, skills, knowledge, education, qualification, specification, all related to the candidate who are applying for a job. So this can be considered as a component of the job specification. So guys, hope we are clear about the job description and job specification. Why do we need to do the job analysis, their importance and purpose? First of all, job analysis provide a legal validation of our employment decision. Whenever a job analysis is done, it provides that either the manpower is going to be hired or not, because it provides the entire scenario that what is the existing manpower state, why the new hire purpose is required, and after that, what are the job description and which type of candidate we are looking for. That. So it provides a complete documentation legally from the company side also and from the employee side also that the particular type of vacancy is being offered. It defines the duties and the tasks to be completed by an employee. It also identifies the reporting relationship. So whenever it goes for the org chart, it identifies that whom is reporting to whom. And this all can be cleared by the job analysis. Okay. After moving ahead, we can also determine the relative worth of the job. Okay. Suppose XYZ employee or XYZ manager has been hired in a new company, and all of a sudden he just tell the organization or the management that we need this type of employee, XYZ type of employee for his personal help. But when the job analysis is being done, what is the importance or the add-on benefit that the employee can create in the organization is being taken care of. If the employee is not needed, then that particular type of job is that particular type of request is cancelled. If it is needed and its impact is there in the organization, then the job analysis, job description, and job specification are being made, and that type of people or candidate is being hired. It also identifies the redundancy. It helps that same type of job is being done by the two people and the output is single, then the organization can plan that they can go for different type of role for different people. Okay, so job duplicacy is being reduced from job analysis. When job analysis is used, so whenever we are going to hire a new employee, job analysis is a must. If it is a replacement hiring, then we refer to the previous job description and job specification. Mostly commonly it is used for a personal selection. Yes, of course. For recruitment, it provides a realistic job data. It is also helpful in the legal compliances that which type of manpower is actually working in a company. It is also used for the performance appraisal. Suppose XYZ employee has been promoted from X designation to next, they must be aware about what type of job specification or job description is going to be handed over to them. It identifies the job similarity for easy transfer. It also helps to job evaluation of the job, and it helps in job redesign and reintegration. Thank you guys for understanding the topic of job analysis. Hope it clears your doubts. In next chapter, we are going to discuss about the job analysis method. तो उनमें हम बात करेंगे कि job analysis करते कैसे. Thank you once again, and do subscribe the channel for